Guys, good morning. I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepare my green tea. What I'm going to take is just take your cup, put it on microwave, or better still, in case you have a cup like this silver cup, okay? I use it to prepare tea for the kids before, baby. I use it to prepare my kids breakfast, because my kids, they normally do love take tea to school. So I'm going to put it here. So then on my gas, then allow it to warm. Then I'll bring out the green tea right away, okay? So keep watching as I bring out the green tea. For the people that is asking of how can they get it, so I'm going to show you guys how you can get it. I have a lot at home, so this is the one that I normally do use. You can see I haven't opened this very one, okay? Why this is new one. This is new one. I have more than 10 pack. Yeah. So in case you want to go and buy it, this is how it look like. Just Lipton tea. It's a Lipton green tea. Okay, for the people, they said they didn't say it very well. Sorry for my nails right now. I'm just cleaning, so I decided to drink some green tea so that, yeah. So this is it. You can see this is the back side. Very simple to get. Go to your supermarket and then you're gonna get it. Okay. So before the water will get warm, so I'm gonna go back to finish my cleaning. You can put 1 or 2, depends of how. In case you want to put your water into the in case you want to put your water inside, just remove the name because they are not sponsoring my video. So in case you want to put your what they call it, the tea inside, you can use this 2 liter. Okay, using this 2 liter, that means you are going to put 2 inside. Okay, but if it's just something that you need to drink in the morning, just like what I'm doing right now, you don't need that much. 1 is okay. You put 1 inside. It's simple. Okay, you are going to finish the 1. But in case you want to drink it throughout the day, 2 inside, 2 liters. Shamore, we can say this is just maybe half of a liter. Okay, so here is a 2 liter. Then you put 2 inside the 2 liters. Once you warm the water, put it back. Once the water is warm, you put the tea inside. Allow it to bring out the tea inside, and then after you pour it back to your ragolis. Okay, so once you pour it to your ragolis, allow it to cool, then you start drinking it. You can put sugar, you can drink it without sugar. I normally do love to add a little bit of sugar to it. And then I'm gonna put 1 inside because this is just half of a liter, so I will put 1, and with this one is okay. I can drink half of it now and later drink the remaining one. So that is very simple to get, and yeah, keep watching. Okay, for the people that was asking for the other one, so this one is the one I do normally call Finocchio, which is what they call it. I can't remember again in English, but at the same time, this is it. You can get it from the shop. Okay, so that is it. Okay, guys, this is it. So I will remove it and put it inside this way. Then I will allow it to boil for some minutes. So it's ready. It's ready now. Bye. Before Serena will throw it away, let me quickly drink my tea. Bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and follow this page, please. Thank you. Bye.